Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Thierry BOLLORÉ, Chief Executive Officer, Group Renault.
Good morning and welcome to Renault. We are here today to present our new vision for our all-time bestseller, Clio. Maybe your parents had one when you were kids. Maybe your kids have one now. Maybe it's the first car you bought. We certainly hope it will be the next car you will buy. Beyond its iconic image, beyond its success, generations after generations, Clio is a winner. In Europe, Clio was crowned European Car of the Year twice, breaking the awards records. It also ranks top of its class and has been so for the past 5 years. Worldwide, Clio is the all-time best-selling French vehicle. All in all, since its launch, we sold more than 15 million Clio in more than 100 countries. Clio is part of our story. As a French group, we started small and went global. It's also part of your story as drivers, car users, as car fans. Today, we'll show you how Clio is part of the future. At Renault, we do not settle with the best we can make. We push it further. It's hard to come up with a bestseller. It's even harder to renew it. Using our customers' feedback as a compass, we kept our recipe for success, offering Clio's owners levels of equipment and features usually found in higher segment vehicles. What you are about to discover is still the beloved Clio. It's only more Clio, better Clio. As you will see, the renewal starts from within. So, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's discover the all-new Renault CLIO.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Laurens VAN DEN ACKER, Senior Vice President, Corporate Design.
Good morning everyone. I'm very proud to introduce to you the latest of a historical saga, the best Clio ever. Why do I say best Clio ever? The new Clio benefits from the best genes of the family. Each of the 4 generations has contributed to Clio's unique and ongoing success. Easy life spirit, higher-end technologies, successful design. We took all these strengths and we capitalized on them. With the new Clio, we have revolutionized the interior in a modernized body featuring innovative technologies. The interior revolution is striking. Quality has improved everywhere. The cabin takes on a new dimension with the finest materials and extended soft surfaces. To improve life on board, we used soft coatings everywhere you can touch. We conceived a driver-oriented interior and we paid attention to every detail to make sure that the driving experience is sportier and even more fun. The new dashboard ergonomics, with its wave-like shape, underline the width of the interior. And to improve driver cluster visibility, the new steering wheel is both more compact and more sporty. The higher central console and shorter gear lever offer also a natural and comfortable grip. Finally, access to control buttons has been optimized for either digital or physical use. The new Clio embodies Renault's brand commitment to easy life, not only for the driver, but for all the passengers. Our teams have sought every spare millimeter inside the car to offer our clients more space and a record storage. As a result, the car now offers 26 liters of storage space, making it the best in class. The trunk architecture has also been optimized. Its volume has been increased to 391 liters of space, which makes it the best in its category. The seats have been redesigned to increase comfort, while improving visibility and space for the rear passengers. I think all it took is one look to notice we made the cockpit a priority. And as you can see, we developed a driver-oriented, smart cockpit. It features a digital driver cluster up to 10 inches, replacing the traditional analog display. Directly inspired by higher-end segments, it includes GPS navigation inside the display. It is coupled with a 9.3-inch multimedia screen, the largest you will find in its category. This screen is vertical and subtly curved, and it turns towards the driver, which visually enlarges the dashboard, and it improves readability. Inspired by the world of smartphones, it offers a remarkable quality in terms of brightness and resolution. It's easy to use and can be very simply customized. Now, to complete the improvement of this Clio, we are bringing new technologies to our clients. We improved connectivity in our car with our completely new EasyLink connected system. It comprises all the multimedia navigation and infotainment features, as well as multimedia settings, all of them remarkably easy to use. And to complete this interior revolution, we developed an athletic and very expressive cabin and design for the exterior. Our starting point was Clio 4, because considering the success of its design, we wanted to remain faithful to the spirit of this winning car. New Clio has become even more dynamic and sleek and even more sensual. It is instantly recognizable as a Clio, but it has completely new bodies with 100% new parts. The body has been lowered for extra athleticism, and it's reaching now in the category best level in terms of aerodynamics. I told you a minute ago that we had created more space inside of the car, yet we managed to make it more compact. So more compact on the outside, while offering more space and more storage on the inside. The redesigned exterior is inspired by higher-end segments, with satin chrome and lacquered finishes. The car's new headlights, more expressive, are now 100% LED starting from the first trim level, also a best in category. As you can see, we have worked passionately to offer our clients the best Clio ever. We have, with the new Clio, a perfect Clio for each and every one of you. You can discover behind me the intense version of our new shade of Orange Valencia. After the success of our famous Flame Red, we are expanding our range of warm colors. The new Clio Initial Paris, showing here in a very sophisticated black, inaugurates a new level of elegance. And finally, on the left, in a deep iron blue, features the Renault CLIO RS line, an even more racy design inspired directly by Renault Sport. By revolutionizing life on board and technologies, the new CLIO is the pioneer of a new generation of Renault models. Thank you very much. Thierry, back to you.
Thank you, Laurens. The new Clio indeed stands for our vision for tomorrow mobility. Electric, connected, autonomous, and meant for all. We announced it as part of our Drive the Future strategic plan and as part of the Alliance 2022 plan. The new Clio is the first vehicle making this shared vision coming true. First, it inaugurates our brand new worldwide Alliance platform. The new global, modular, multi-energy platform will allow us to be more efficient and to generate more value for our customers. This platform is meant to be used for electrified vehicles and includes a new electronic architecture specially made for connected autonomous systems. Second, the new Clio inaugurates our hybrid offer. As announced at the Paris Motor Show last year, Group Renault is introducing a brand new in-house hybrid technology. The new Clio E-Tech will make the difference, both on driving sensation and fuel consumption. Up to 80% of driving time in cities will be full electric. Renault's E-Tech will be the most EV-like hybrid offer on the market. HEV version of Clio and PHEV versions of Megane and Capture will be available in Europe starting in 2020. The new Clio will also be available with our brand new fuel-efficient 1-liter TCE petrol engine. Finally, keeping our word, we offer cars equipped with Level 2 autonomous drive systems in 2019. Clio is packed with Renault Easy Drive technologies focused on driver comfort and vehicle safety. The new Clio is the first vehicle in its class to feature Level 2 autonomous drive technology. It offers the most comprehensive advanced driver assistance systems of its segment. Thanks to the highway and traffic jam companion, the new Clio adapts its speed and keeps its position in the lane. This car here marks one step further towards our Drive the Future objectives by 2022. We will launch 15 Renault vehicles with different levels of autonomous drive capabilities. At Group Renault, we are committed to make technology and innovation within our customers' reach. This is our story, and this is our future. Mobility will be electric, autonomous, connected, and meant for all, just like the new Clio. By reinventing Clio for its 5th generation, we had big shoes to fill. And it's good news because we intend on taking big steps ahead. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Thierry BOLLORÉ and Mr. Laurens VAN DEN ACKER will now be available for photographers in front of the vehicles.